YouTube because we streamed it live on YouTube, and then I ran out of time for the 22 minutes, and so we went extra. And you can find all the extra on Blaze, but it's only on the Blaze. But watch Rudy Giuliani. One thing that everybody says about Rudy Giuliani lately is the guy's gone nuts. The guy's gone nuts. He's like flailing and yelling and screaming, right? That's what everybody says. He's not Rudy Giuliani anymore. What's happened to him? I can tell you what's happened to him. Because the real Rudy Giuliani, the one I know from the past, America's mayor, he showed up last night, and I figured out what happened to Rudy Giuliani. I'll tell you about that in 1 minute.
Open it up. Just like you go and get your...
Stump the DJ is on the air. Call in your best joke right now. 224-1994. Or submit it on the Paul and Al Facebook page. Stump the DJ on 94 HJY.
Yes, sir. Here we go. You got this farmer on the, hanging out at the farm there. You got a guy coming up the road, and he says, "Hello, sir. I see you got some you got some, honeysuckle over there. You mind if I go get me some honey?" The farmer says, "Well, okay, suit yourself." So he gets 2 buckets, goes over the hill, comes back an hour later. The 2 buckets full of honey. The farmer's like, "Well, darn." Next day, same guy coming up the road. Says, "I see you got some marigolds over there. How about I go get me some gold?" The farmer says, "Suit yourself." Comes back an hour later, 2 buckets full of gold.
Excuse me, sir. This is a classic joke. This ends up going down the path to the Pussy Willows, correct? Okay.
Ah, you got
And the farmer goes, "You hang on here. I'm going to come with you." Thank you.
Yes, sir.
See you.
Paul and Al. Mornings on 94 HJY.